Quiet on the set. Take one, doll heads.
I'm not very happy about being put on this shelf.
What happened to you?
I lost my body and now I'm just a head. Nobody wants me.
You know what happened to me?
What?
My brother took me from my owner and pulled my head off.
Ow! That wasn't very nice.
And I've been this way ever since.
Well, I think we're pretty lucky because the gals from Restored to Glory,
Those two nice ladies?
those two nice ladies collect old doll heads. Otherwise, we'd be in the landfill.
Oh, we would. I'd been in the garbage. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That's a wrap.